So the question we have here is integration of dx upon x to the power 4 dot 1 plus x to the power whole to the power 2 equals to a ln in bracket 1 plus x cube upon x cube plus b upon x cube plus c upon 1 plus x cube plus d. Then value of coefficient of ln x means ln and this b yani 1 upon x cube, c 1 upon 1 plus x cube. So first of all we will solving this integration, and when we will get it into the form of we will adding these coefficients. So to the if we need to find how to integrate this part, what we have here is x to the power 4 and x to the power 3. Here we have 1 upon x to the power 4. If I get something like the x to the power 3, and if I then differentiate it, I will get x to the power 4, and this is what we have here. So I need to convert this x to the power 3 into the form of 1 upon x to the power 3 to solve this question. So x to the power 4 here dot dx upon, I will be taking x cube outside and 1 plus 1 upon x cube whole to the power 2. So now I have this, and if I differentiate here, I can get 1 upon x to the power 4. So let's take this outside. So it will be 1 upon x to the power 4, that 1 upon x to the power 3 dot 2 is 6, and dx upon 1 plus 1 upon x to the power 3 square. So I will be taking 1 plus 1 upon x to the power 3 equals to t. Then I will differentiate both the side. It will be minus 3 upon x to the power 4 dx equals to dt. Now I will be substituting this value here. So 1 upon 4 dot dx equals to minus 1 upon 3 integration, and 1 upon x to the power 6 is 1 upon x to the power 3 whole square dot dx upon this will become t square. So minus 1 upon 3 integration of 1 upon 3 x cube will be equals to t minus 1. So t minus 1 square dot dx upon t square. I will be opening this whole square. T square plus 1 minus 2t upon t square dx. Now I will be separating it into 3 parts. So minus 1 upon 3 dx, dx square t square get cancelled. Minus 1 upon 3 1 upon t square dx, and minus minus plus 2 upon 3 integration t upon 1 upon t dt. So t and square will be get cancelled. So integrating it, minus 1 upon 3, it will be, sorry, I have written dx here, it will be dt. Okay, so it will be integration of 1 dot dt is t minus 1 upon 3 t to the power minus 2 plus 1 is t, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus, and minus minus will get plus. So here plus will come, and plus 2 upon 3 1 upon t integration is ln t. So I will be replacing value of t. So 1 upon 3 value of t is 1 plus x 1 upon x cube. So value of t is 1 plus 1 upon x cube and plus 1 upon 3. So here I will be taking common here, so x cube will be in numerator, and 1 plus x cube plus 2 upon 3 ln again 1 plus 1 upon x cube. Now check, let's check if this was in the question we have here, that is ln. Yeah, we have ln in bracket 1 plus x cube upon x cube, and b upon x cube, yes, we have something with 1 upon x cube, and c upon 1 plus x cube. So let's change our answer it into this form. So now this is what we have. Now we have to change it into the form what we have in given question. So minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 1 upon x cube. So this will be constant. plus 1 upon 3. If I add and subtract 1 here, x cube plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x cube plus 2 upon 3 ln x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus c. So minus 1 upon 3, 1 upon x cube plus 1 upon 3. This will be 1 and minus 1 upon 1 plus x cube plus 2 upon 3 ln x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus c. So minus 1 upon 3 upon 1 upon x cube plus this will be constant. So I will be left with minus 1 upon 3 1 plus x cube plus 2 upon 3 ln x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus c. So I have three coefficient here, minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3 and plus 2 upon 3. So we have to find the summation of these three terms. So minus 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3 is minus 2 upon 3 and plus 2 upon 3 will